glitch, a free tool glitch. Excuse the noise. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform, by subscribers and likes. Big shout out to Joseph Mendoza. He figured out this glitch. I know I put the sale up first, but he figured out an even cheaper way to get this for free. So what you do is you go here to the free bit set. I'll leave the link down below in the description section. Then you go up here to search. If I can click on it. And just put Ryobi Fine. This one. The Ryobi Black Fine Point Permanent, 99 cents. So what you do is you add this to the cart. And you have it in the cart. And you go check out. And voila. You have it right there for free, 99 cents for both of these, including this $39.95 set, tool set or 2-bit set. You're getting it for 99 cents plus shipping. If you, for my CD, it's $7 shipping, so I'm getting this for $7. But yeah, guys, this is definitely a great deal. Big shout out to Joseph Mendoza for pointing this out. I did leave his comment on that original video pinned for you guys to see, and I'll see if I can leave this link down below in the description section for you guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make to review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform, by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next